Welcome to AI Tech Beat, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best products, devices, tools, and gadgets that bring ambiance, comfort, and ease into your life. As our furry friends grow older, moving around can become a challenge. But thanks to innovative mobility solutions, senior dogs can continue to enjoy their daily activities with comfort and ease. Today we're counting down the top 10 mobility solutions for aging dogs that you can find right here in New York. Whether it's ramps, harnesses, or orthopedic beds, these products can make a world of difference for your pup's quality of life. Let's dive in. First on our list is the PetSafe Happy Ride Dog Car Seat, a must-have for pet owners who want to keep their senior dogs safe and comfortable during car rides. This booster seat is designed for small to medium-sized dogs and provides a cozy, secure space for travel. Key features: easy installation with your car's seatbelt system, soft padding for extra comfort, and a built-in safety tether to keep your dog secure. Dog parents love this product, with many saying their pets feel relaxed and safe while on the road. If your pup enjoys car rides but needs a little extra support, this car seat is a fantastic choice. Every senior dog deserves a cozy place to rest, and the PetFusion Ultimate Dog Bed delivers just that. This orthopedic dog bed is designed to relieve pressure on aging joints, offering memory foam support and a water-resistant cover for easy cleaning. Why it's great for senior dogs: supports joints and reduces discomfort, low height for easy access, and durable pet-safe materials. This bed has become a favorite among dog owners who want to give their pets the best sleep possible. For dogs struggling with mobility due to arthritis or paralysis, the K9 Carts dog wheelchair is a game-changer. This lightweight and adjustable wheelchair helps dogs regain their independence by supporting their hind legs, allowing them to move freely again. Key benefits: customizable fit for different breeds, durable wheels for smooth movement, and helps with rehabilitation and overall quality of life. Many pet parents have said this life-changing device has helped their dogs get back to doing what they love: walking, running, and playing. Does your senior dog struggle to get onto the couch or bed? The PetSafe Solvit PupSTEP Plus Pet Stairs is a simple yet effective solution. These stairs are lightweight, foldable, and feature non-slip steps for added safety. Why it's useful: helps dogs reach higher places without jumping, reduces strain on aging joints, and is compact and easy to store. Perfect for small to medium-sized dogs, this product makes life more accessible for senior pups. Aging dogs often need a little extra support when walking or standing. That's where the Doggie Lift harness comes in. This harness is ideal for dogs with hip dysplasia or weak back legs, providing gentle support when they need it most. Key features: comfortable and snug fit, helps lift dogs without strain, and is great for assisting with stairs and car rides. For any senior dog that struggles to get up, this harness can be a huge relief, for both the pet and the owner. If your dog still loves going on walks but needs extra support, the PetSafe Easy Sport Dog Harness is a great pick. Unlike traditional collars, this harness distributes weight evenly across your dog's chest, reducing strain and making walks much more comfortable. Key benefits include adjustable straps for a snug fit, a no-pull design for easy walking, and soft, breathable material. This harness is a fantastic way to keep your senior pup active and happy without unnecessary discomfort. For more heavy-duty support, the Ruffwear Webmaster Harness is a top-rated option. It includes a sturdy handle on the back, allowing pet parents to lift their dogs over obstacles or into cars with ease. Why pet owners love it: secure and adjustable for all breeds, great for hiking or daily walks, and helps support dogs with mobility issues. If your pup needs extra help moving around, this harness is a great tool to keep them mobile. Jumping into the car or onto furniture can be difficult for aging dogs. The PetSafe Dog Ramp makes it easier and safer for them to reach higher surfaces. Key features: lightweight and portable, non-slip surface for secure footing, and a telescoping design for adjustable height. This ramp reduces strain on joints, making it a must-have for senior dogs. For senior dogs who still love the outdoors, the ZippyPaws Adventure Dog Backpack lets them carry their own supplies on hikes or long walks. Why it's great: Lightweight and adjustable for comfort, multiple storage pockets, and it keeps dogs engaged and active. It's a fun and practical way to keep your dog involved in outdoor activities. Finally, the Kyon Smart Collar is a high-tech solution for tracking your pet's activity and health. With built-in GPS tracking and health monitoring, this collar alerts you to any unusual changes in behavior, helping you detect potential health issues early. Key features: real-time location tracking, monitors heart rate and temperature, and a waterproof and durable design. It's one of the most advanced collars available, giving you peace of mind about your aging dog's well-being. There you have it. 10 amazing mobility solutions that can make life easier for your aging dog. From wheelchairs and harnesses to comfortable beds and high-tech collars, these tools can help your furry friends stay active, healthy, and happy for years to come. Which of these products do you think your dog would benefit from the most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching the video from AI Tech Beat, and please check the description for an article with comprehensive details. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet-friendly tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.